Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Check that the decoder is the correct model and the smart card is seated. This matters because mismatches trigger E48-32. Next, power cycle the box. Unplug the power for 30 seconds, count slowly, then plug back in. This clears temporary faults. While it boots, watch the LED behavior and on-screen messages. These tell you if the problem is persistent or cleared. If prompted, make sure you accept any software restart prompts so the system can reinitialize. Once the box has restarted, focus on signal and network because E48-32 often links to authorization or link errors. First, inspect the dish and cable. Tighten F connectors, remove corrosion, and ensure no kinks. Then run the decoder's network test or re-enter Wi-Fi/Ethernet credentials to restore communication. This allows the server to validate your box. Finally, trigger a subscription refresh. Use the Dstv app or the appropriate UST to push an unblock. This resends authorization to your smartphone. Finish by confirming whether the authorization cleared. Check channels and electronic program guide. If still E48-32, perform a factory reset as a last resort, but back up any custom settings first. If the error persists, remove the smart card and test it in another working decoder. This isolates whether the card or the decoder is faulty. If swapping doesn't help, contact Dstv support with your decoder ID and the exact error code so they can perform a remote refresh or advise on a replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.